If you're looking for the best organic neem oils, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Neem Oil by Blanc Cosmetics. When a product is USDA certified organic like this one, it comes from a plant that was not genetically altered and was grown without chemicals. Because it's an undiluted natural product, it's packaged in an amber glass bottle to protect it from spoilage. If you store it in a cold place, the texture thickens, but it will melt once it warms to room temperature. Use the eyedropper to put a dot in your palm. Now, use a cotton swab to dab the oil on the trail spots. Remember to wash your hands when you're done. Neem oil helps clear up acne, psoriasis, eczema, and sometimes rosacea. It calms redness and itching and leaves the skin supple. Add neem oil to your shampoo and get rid of dandruff. Or use it on your garden plants as an organic pesticide. There are plenty of DIY neem oil recipes online. In any case, this California-based manufacturer offers a 100% guarantee on its neem oil. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Milania Premium Organic Neem Oil. This brand uses a special process to extract the neem oil from the seeds. It's cold pressed in a way that retains an intense concentration of azadirachtin, the key ingredient that makes neem oil so potent. Cold press extraction is the best way to separate the oil from the plant. Since it uses no heat, it doesn't destroy any of the nutrients. It's also chemical-free so that your skin isn't exposed to hexane or other toxins when you use the oil. Plus, the neem is non-GMO and grown in India with no pesticides. The only downside is that it comes in a screw-top plastic bottle with no eyedropper. But the manufacturer offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not pleased with this product. The number 3 position is held by Solutions Neem Oil. Here's neem oil from a reputable family-owned business based in the USA. No, it's not certified organic. Nevertheless, it's processed in a GMP-certified facility that follows a stringent testing process to ensure purity and quality. The pure neem oil is cold-pressed from wild-crafted neem seeds. Then, it's packaged in a dark-colored glass bottle and comes with an eyedropper. There are no additives, of course. If it drops to room temperature, it solidifies similar to the way virgin coconut oil behaves. But if you place the bottle in your pocket or a bowl of warm water, it softens. Users suggest applying the neem oil with shea butter, rose, or lavender essential oil to give it a pleasant scent. Next at number 4 we have Premium Nature Organic Neem Oil. If you've seen one bottle of neem oil, it seems like you've seen them all and the only difference is the price. It just so happens that this one is less expensive than some of the better-known brands and it comes in an amber glass bottle with an eyedropper. Like the best essential oils, it's cold-pressed and hexane-free. The product description says that it's made in the USA. However, there is no indication that it's certified organic although the product title claims that it is. We included it in the article because it's cheap and popular, but we were disappointed at the lack of documentation. The number 5 position is held by Harris Neem Oil. You won't run out for a long time even if you use it on your skin, hair, and in the garden. Plus, it comes with a satisfaction guarantee. The oil is cold-pressed, not extracted in any other way. But what does cosmetic grade mean? The brand explains that it's purposefully high in antioxidants for skincare. Moreover, it can be mixed with shampoo and lotion. We looked for an organic certification and didn't find one nevertheless. We discovered that the manufacturer specializes in organic pesticides and this neem oil is certified for that purpose. The number 6 position is dominated by Velona Neem Oil USDA Certified Organic. Don't worry, we're back to certified organic neem oil after a brief detour. This one looks like a plastic bottle of lotion with a pump top. It's certainly convenient if you want to dispense a decent-sized glob instead of a single drop at a time. The oil is cold-pressed virgin with a greenish-brown color and a strong garlicky scent. That's because it's unrefined with no additives or chemical treatment. It comes from the seeds of the azadirach indica that grows in India, but the oil is bottled in the USA. Like many other brands of neem oil, it comes with a satisfaction guarantee. As you know, you can put neem oil directly on the skin or add it to shampoo and moisturizer. If you're curious about gardening with it, it makes a great pesticide. Mix it up in a spray bottle and spritz it on plant leaves to get rid of uninvited pests. It only takes a teaspoon and a half of neem oil per quart of water plus a half teaspoon of soap. One word of advice, only apply it late in the afternoon or early in the morning to avoid burning the leaves. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Zatural Naked Neem Organic Neem Butter. Neem oil is great for the skin all by itself. It also blends well with the other natural oils like coconut, palm, marula, and rosemary that are in this rich body butter. It's ideal for smoothing and soothing dry, itchy skin. Users say it also fades acne scars after a while. It's handcrafted from organic ingredients in small batches. What's more, it features organic neem oil as well as neem leaf extract for extra potency. And if you're familiar with marula oil, you also know that it's one of the best natural oils for the skin. Reviewers are more than satisfied with this neem oil product. They say it's non-greasy with a natural scent from all the herbal ingredients. It smells more pleasant than neem oil on its own. Finally, the number 8 position is dominated by TheraNeem Neem Therapé Skin Lotion. This body lotion in a pump-top bottle features neem leaf extract as well as organic neem oil with other natural moisturizers. It's fragranced with grapefruit essential oil. Unlike cheap drugstore lotions, it doesn't contain water. The base ingredient is an aqueous extract of organic neem leaf followed by aloe gel. As you might imagine, it doesn't feel greasy, but it's soothing and lightweight. In fact, some reviewers use it on their faces to treat rosacea. Just so you know, it will probably tingle, but it's designed to be kind to sensitive skin. For best results, apply the lotion after washing when the skin is damp. That way you'll get the most from the rich emollients like shea butter and jojoba oil. Happily, neither of those clog pores. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notifications.